So now I'm going to get some data readings, and you see this play button right here. See, as you see reports, got the play button. So when I push play right now, it's recording all my readings. You can see I can take a screenshot. And I can add an address if I want to. If I just press this button, it's gonna kind of like Google map my address. This is my home address, so I'm not going to show it. But if I do press this button right here, you see it's going to generate an address that quick. And you can just add notes. Low subcooling, high superheat, something like that. We can save that. All right, so report name is required. I'm just going to put, let's do split system. Okay. And now we're just going to save it. Let's add some notes. We'll save that. So that, as you can see, I have been recording for over a minute now. Subcooling 6.8. You see my graph. See if we can get all this data right here. If you're in like a rural place, you don't have Wi-Fi, we're gonna be able to get all this information by using the USB-C port downloaded to a laptop. So I'm gonna let this run for probably about 10-20 minutes so we can get some good data readings. All right. Do the basic view. As you see, we added parameters so you can see exactly your pressures on one screen. We got 135 PSI on our suction side, or you can do low side, high side port, 275 on my high side. All your data's on one screen. Beautiful. Our micron gauges that come with it. Got a smart scale. And all your smart scale, we can save all this data. Of course, I'm not adding a refrigerant, but you got your pounds and your ounces right here. Keep all your data. You let your customer know exactly how many pounds you put in the system. All right, it's our graph. Take a look in dark mode again. That's dark mode. Also, as you can see, we got 6 different languages in the new version 2.0. You got English, Chinese, Dutch, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Take a look at that in light mode again. 6 different languages. English, Chinese, Dutch, French, Spanish, and Portuguese. Like I said, so I'm going to let this run for a little while, and we'll come back and upload this data to a laptop. So I've been running probably about 15 minutes now, so I'm gonna stop this timer. And it says, are you sure you want to stop recording? I'm gonna press OK. So all those files will be saved successfully, and we're gonna upload to the laptop.